My simple question to all of you: why we are in the market? We are in the market for making money, to support our family, or to do R&D. Both the way, both the door is open from market side. We can do whatever we want to do in the market. But I'm saying on behalf of my experience, my knowledge, if you go on the left hand side, then you will lose your money, you will destroy your saving, which is the lifeline of your family. You will waste your valuable time, because I face all these things. And if you will go on the right hand side, then you can achieve whatever you want to do in your life. You can see the picture. There are so many roads available on this picture. These roads are representing strategy. These are so many strategy is available in the market. So many indicator available in the market. So many stocks available in the market, and there are so many mentors in the market. In each corner, there are so many social media person, tip provider, and news editor waiting for you. But I'm sure, on behalf of my experience, that if you will go as per these rules, then you will destroy your saving. You will lose whatever you have at this time. And if you will go on the right side, there are selected strategy, selected indicators, and a selected stock, and a single mentor, which is enough to give you huge profit from the market. We have to wait for the trade. We have to wait for the opportunity. We have to make our strategy on behalf of our knowledge and experience. And before investing our real money, we have to do back testing through terminal. After complete satisfaction, we have to invest our real money in the market. We need to become a surgeon, because a surgeon in the medical line have a depth knowledge of his area, just like a heart surgeon have all the knowledge of heart. And he is the surgeon, he is the master of this area because of his knowledge. So we have to adopt a few strategy, few indicators, and few stocks, and we have to be the surgeon of this strategy. We have to be specific, we have to be master of this strategy and indicator, and it's enough to achieve whatever you want we want to in our trading life. I want to share the experience of a author. The name of the book is Market Wizards. In this books, the author says the experience of 10 best trader in the world. All those have their own strategy, their own indicator, their own planning. No one want to go out of their strategy, and everyone do their best in their trading career. Why this is so? This is because of their planning. They have, yeah, they are getting experience in a limited area. That's why they are taking money from the market. They are getting profit from the market. So we have to adopt these things. So we have to be a surgeon. Otherwise, the end of the your trading career will be very dangerous. So this is a suggestion from my side. If you like my suggestion, then you can like this, and if you don't, then it's your choice. Whatever you want to do, you can freely to do in your life, in your trading career. So this is from my side, viewers, And thank you very much for giving me your precious time. And if you like this video, then you can press the like button, subscribe my channel,